We'll guide you through how to edit CapCut Template. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch the CapCut mobile application on your smartphone to start your creative process. Navigate directly to the Specialized Templates tab at the bottom to find a style that fits your artistic vision. Pick a layout from the vast library to serve as your project foundation today. Tap the prominent Use Template prompt on the screen to begin the customization process immediately. Select the video assets from your local gallery that you want to incorporate into the edit now. Press the Next button located in the corner to load your media into the template structure. Select the Edit More option to unlock deeper customization tools for a personalized touch. Enter the full editing timeline to modify individual layers and gain precise control now. Fine-tune the playback speed and length of each individual video clip to suit your storytelling needs. Slide the duration handles for the first segment in your sequence to ensure the opening is perfect. Adjust the timing for the second video clip by dragging the edge with your finger. Modify the third video segment's duration to match your creative flow and overall video rhythm. Lengthen the filter overlay across the timeline to cover the entire project duration now. Tap the existing soundtrack on the timeline to select the audio layer. Hit the delete icon to remove the original template audio and clear the way for your own sound. Play the current draft to check for smooth and accurate timing between the modified clips. Touch the AI UHD icon at the top to configure your specific export menu settings. Ensure the resolution is locked at 1080p for high-definition visuals on any social platform. Toggle the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth and fluid playback today. Activate the Optical Flow setting to enhance motion smoothness during slow-motion segments. Keep the Smart HDR option enabled to optimize the color and lighting for a professional look. Initiate the process by clicking the Export button on your screen now. Wait patiently for the rendering progress bar to reach completion today without closing the mobile app. Your customized video is now complete and safely stored in your mobile gallery, ready for you to share with the whole world right now.